Hello friends, welcome to Electrical Design Engineering YouTube channel. In today's lecture, I will answer the questions asked by the subscribers. These questions have been submitted by the subscribers through Google Form. The link of the Google Form is given in the description of the video. If you have any question, you can ask there. So let us start the lecture. First question is from Mukhtar. He wants grid codes for the integration of PV system and power quality assessment. Brother, I do not have the grid codes, but I have some research papers related to the grid codes for the integration of PV system and power quality assessment. These research papers help you regarding the grid codes. I have given the link in the description where you can download these research papers and study. Second question is from Raj. He says he has written load flow analysis. I do not understand what actually he wants to ask. So please write complete question so that I understand what actually you want. If your question has some image or files, you can upload these also so that I can get complete information what you want. And one more question is from Mr. Khalil. He writes, for 11 kV grid, the client has provided three-phase fault that is 15.06 kiloamperes and LG fault that is 2.30 kiloamperes. He did not provide the X by R ratio. I want to know is client is not providing the fault level and X by R ratio. Can we refer any IS or IEC standard codes to get this? If the client is not providing the X by R ratio, you can use the any relevant standards such as IEC 60909, IEC 62271-100. I also recommend you to watch this video. This video. The link is given in the description. In this video, I have explained how you can calculate X by R ratio. If you want a detailed lecture on the short circuit calculation, for that at least 20 people should comment that we are interested in the lecture regarding the detailed calculation of the short circuit calculation for the calculation of the X by R ratio. Now one more question is from the Sujin. He asks, please upload how to install ePlan Crack version. Brother, I am sorry that I do not upload the lecture on how to install or download Crack version of any software. This is against the YouTube policy. Second thing is that I do not know whether the Crack version of the ePlan exists or not. You should visit the website of the ePlan and see whether any demo version or a student version is available or not. I have heard from my friend that a demo version is available, but I am not sure whether the demo version exists or a student version exists. The complete information you can get on the ePlan website. And one more question is from Mr. Muhammad Sirajuddin. Important 5 factors of transformer sizing. The important 5 factors of transformer sizing are KVA rating, which determines transformer size, loading limit, voltage level, defines the primary and secondary bus voltage, impedance, determines the short circuit current and the voltage drop, vector group defines the phase shift and zero sequence behavior of the transformer, altitude or ambient temperature. Altitude affects the transformer KVA rating and thermal capacity because the reduced air density at higher elevations lowers the heat dissipation. I have also written an article on effect of the altitude on the KVA rating of the transformer on my LinkedIn. The link of that post is given in the description. You can visit and study that also. Cooling type, that is affects the thermal rating of the transformer. Thank you.